Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Fluval Betta Tank is probably one of the most popular and aesthetically pleasing options for betta fish enthusiasts, offering a compact yet functional environment that allows these vibrant fish to thrive. Its sleek design and ease of maintenance make it a standout choice for both beginners and experienced keepers looking to provide a comfortable and visually appealing home for their betta. Number 5. Marineland Portrait 5-Gallon Glass Aquarium Kit. Introducing a beautifully designed aquarium that fits seamlessly into any space. Its sleek, rounded corners and clear glass canopy offer stunning views from every angle. Create the perfect ambience with dual lighting modes. Bright white LEDs mimic natural sunlight, while calming blue LEDs provide a serene moonlit glow. Enjoy easy access for feeding and cleaning. The hinged lighting and sliding glass canopy make maintenance a breeze. This aquarium features an advanced, 3-stage filtration system that is completely hidden. It ensures crystal clear water while enhancing the viewing experience. At 5 gallons, this aquarium is the ideal size for your home or office. It's designed for easy assembly and simple upkeep, making it perfect for beginners and experienced hobbyists alike. What we like. This tank offers a sleek, modern look with its rounded corners and hidden filtration, making it a stylish addition to any room. The dual LED lighting creates a beautiful ambience for your aquatic life. If you appreciate aesthetics and want a clean, uncluttered look, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Fluval Betta Tank is a great starter tank for a betta fish. It is easy to set up and maintain. The tank has a built-in filter that keeps the water clean and clear, and it also has an adjustable LED light that provides a nice ambience. The tank is spacious enough for a betta fish to swim around comfortably, and it comes with a variety of decorations to make it look more appealing. Number 4. Black Fish Tank 124 Gallons LED Aquarium Kit. Introducing a stunning 124-gallon aquarium kit, designed to bring elegance to any space. Its sleek design and advanced LED lighting create a captivating underwater world. Crafted from high-quality, ultra-white tempered glass, this tank offers exceptional clarity and durability. It's resistant to scratches, fingerprints, and daily wear and tear. With its professional tricolor LED lighting, it's perfect for breeding marine life, corals, and aquatic plants. Watch your underwater garden thrive in brilliant light. This 2024's most fashionable design seamlessly blends with your home or office decor. It provides an immersive experience, allowing you to enjoy the graceful movements of your aquatic pets. Give your water creatures a luxurious and relaxing home. Its spacious design ensures they have plenty of room to swim and explore, offering you a truly immersive viewing experience. Ensure your communication channels are open for shipping updates. Please check seller information after ordering for smooth and timely delivery of your new aquarium. What we like. This is an exceptionally large aquarium, designed for serious aquarists or those looking to create a stunning centerpiece. Its ultra-white tempered glass offers unparalleled clarity and durability, perfect for showcasing marine life, corals, or large fish. If you're aiming for a grand, immersive aquatic display and have the space, this tank is the ultimate luxury home for your aquatic creatures. What people say. The Fluval Betta Tank has a sleek, modern design that looks great in any room. It's easy to set up and maintain, making it a great option for beginners. The tank includes a built-in filter that keeps the water clean and healthy for your betta. Number 3. Tetra 3-Gallon Fish Tank Aquarium Starter Kit. Start your aquarium journey with this complete 3-gallon kit. It's the perfect size for betta fish, goldfish, guppies, or other small tropical fish. Keep your aquatic friends in a clean and healthy environment. The included filter ensures crystal clear water for your pets. Showcase your beautiful fish with integrated LED lighting. The attractive pedestal base adds a touch of style to any room. Feeding time is made easy with the convenient feeding hole in the clear canopy. No need to disturb your fish or the setup. This tank is perfectly sized at 10 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 10 inches tall. It provides ample space for small inhabitants. Equipped with a reliable filter, it maintains a pristine environment. Your small tropical fish will thrive in these conditions. What we like. This 3-gallon kit is an ideal starter aquarium, especially for beginners or those with limited space. It comes with everything you need, including a reliable filter and an attractive LED light on a pedestal base. If you're looking for a simple, convenient setup for small fish like bettas or guppies, this is a great option to get started. What people say. The Fluval Betta Tank has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The filter system is quiet and effective, keeping the water clean and clear without disturbing the betta. The LED lighting system provides a nice glow and can be set to different colors to enhance the tank's appearance. Number 2. Fluval Betta Premium Aquarium Kit, 2.6 gallon. Experience exceptional water quality with our advanced filtration system. It provides up to 6 stages of cleaning, ensuring maximum clarity for your aquatic friend. Designed with your betta's well-being in mind, its gentle intake features multiple slots. This design slows water entry, protecting delicate fins. Our unique diffusion chamber disperses flow and polishes water. This process mimics the clean, slow-moving currents found in natural betta environments. The natural soft glow LED lighting is energy efficient. It creates a relaxed atmosphere, simulating the shaded environments your betta will love. Maintain the perfect tropical water temperature with the fully integrated 10W heater. It consistently keeps the water at the ideal 78 degrees Fahrenheit 26 degrees Celsius for your betta. What we like. This aquarium is specifically designed with your betta's well-being in mind, featuring a multi-stage filtration system that mimics their natural habitat and protects their delicate fins. The integrated heater ensures a consistent, ideal temperature for bettas. If you want to provide the best possible environment for your betta with minimal fuss, this is the tank to choose. What people say. The Fluval Betta Tank has a sleek, modern design that looks great in any room. It comes with a built-in filter that keeps the water clean and clear, which is essential for betta fish health. The tank also features an adjustable LED light that mimics natural sunlight, promoting plant growth and enhancing the betta's vibrant colors. Number 1. Fluval SPEC 3 Aquarium Kit. Introducing the Fluval SPEC 3 Aquarium Kit, a stylish and compact solution for your aquatic pets. Its elegant design complements any space, while its advanced filtration ensures a healthy environment. Experience vibrant underwater worlds with its high-output LED lighting. This system promotes lush plant growth and brings out the stunning colors of your fish. Maintain pristine water quality with its powerful 3-stage filtration system. It effectively removes impurities, keeping your aquarium crystal clear and your inhabitants healthy. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes the glass aquarium, LED lighting, filtration, and all necessary media for a thriving ecosystem. Measuring just 10.8 by 11.8 by 8.7 inches, it's the perfect size for smaller spaces. Enjoy a beautiful, low-maintenance aquarium that adds a touch of elegance to your home. What we like. This 2.6-gallon aquarium boasts a sophisticated etched glass design with aluminum trim, offering a premium look. Its high-output LED light is excellent for plant growth and enhancing fish colors, while the unique honeycomb wrap cleverly hides the filtration system. If you desire a stylish, high-performance tank that looks as good as it functions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Fluval Betta Tank has a sleek, modern design that looks great in any room. It comes with a built-in filter that keeps the water clean and clear, which is essential for betta fish health. The tank also features an adjustable LED light that provides a nice ambience and helps to showcase your betta. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.